Select a nice 12-inch stem from new growth on your rose tree. It must be young and straight. From this stem, keep only the middle part, about 8 inches. Snip off the tip, cutting slantwise just above a pair of leaves. Remove all leaves except for the top pair, and if relevant, remove buds except for the topmost 2 or 3. Then remove the thorns. Soak your root in water for a few minutes. Fill your nursery pot with special cutting soil mix or a blend of soil mix and sand, and then sink the piece of wood in the center to prepare a hole for the cutting. Ideally, you'll have a pouch of rooting hormone at hand to dip your cutting in. This enhances rootlet growth. Tap lightly to remove excess product. Delicately introduce the lower half of your cutting in the hole in the pot and press down to cover with soil mix. Mist often so that the soil mix stays a bit moist but not soggy, because the pot will be placed in part shade with a high luminosity but not direct sun. In fall, bring your cutting somewhere that protects it from the freezing, such as an unheated greenhouse, a garage or a garden shed.